Now to meteorologist Tyler Moore. Tyler, I gotta hit the grocery store so I can have this spread tomorrow.
You know it's going to be packed tomorrow. You wait the last second. Everyone's going to be there tomorrow, but hopefully, I'm sure there's plenty of food going around. And we're going to see some good grilling out weather tomorrow. We're also going to see some great beach weather because our rain chances, they're going to stay on the lower side. We're only looking at about a 30-40% chance for rain. Temperatures going to be warm, though, closer towards the middle 90s because of more sunshine, those low rain chances continuing. Let's switch things over to the weather wall right now. I'll show you what it looks like outside currently. Temperatures right now are hovering in the 70s and 80s. Here's a live look from downtown Tampa. You can see some of those dark skies. We do still have some showers and thunderstorms out there, mainly inland right now. I'll show you in a couple seconds here where some of those storms are right now. But feels like temperatures, even in Tampa right now, are still sitting in the lower 90s because we do have a lot of humidity that's just hovering in the atmosphere currently. That is going to continue over the next couple of days. But here's where we have the showers and storms. They're a little bit later to develop, but we have some right now towards Polk County, towards Lake Wales and Lakeland area. We also have a couple getting down towards Hardy DeSoto County, and even some trying to push now into Hillsborough County. So we could see a rain shower thunderstorm move towards the Tampa Bay area. Some of the outflow boundaries and some of that energy does work back towards the coast. It's going to be about a 20-30% chance. Not everyone's going to see it, and this should slowly start to wind down. But you can see some of the scattered pockets of showers and storms that we do have. Nothing severe, nothing overly heavy, just some heavy downpours and a couple strikes of lightning out there this evening. Temperatures, here they are, middle 70s and all the way into the middle 80s. 85 in Tampa, 85 in St. Pete, 83 in Sarasota, 81 in Lakeland, and 79 in Crystal River. Temperatures might drop a couple more degrees throughout the overnight hours tonight. So again, we'll keep that chance for an isolated rain shower thunderstorm. Watch the motion of these storms and showers. They're going to weaken, but they are going to try to push towards the coast. That's why I think we do still have about a 20% chance for that rain shower thunderstorm to pass through. But the good news is, by the time you wake up tomorrow morning, we're going to see plenty of sunshine to start off the day. Temperatures are going to be in the upper 70s, lower 80s. Now, by the early afternoon hours, we'll have to watch. We could have a little bit more moisture across the area compared to what we saw today. That could lead to an isolated rain shower along the coast by the early afternoon hours. Then by the mid to late afternoon hours, we're going to look more inland. And like we're seeing this evening, some of those could try to push back towards the coast. But overall, again, our rain chances are staying pretty low for your Monday and really into Tuesday, too. Those rain chances will be staying on the lower side. We do have Hurricane Danielle out in the tropics, a Category 1 hurricane. It is no threat to land as it is spinning in the North Atlantic there. And then we have Tropical Storm Earl. This is going to start to make a bend off to the north, and that means it's going to stay away from the United States. And then we have another wave that we're tracking off the coast of Africa, only having about a 20% chance of developing over the next 5 days. So really, it's just these two players in town, and both of them are going to stay out over the Atlantic. Here you can see we have Hurricane Danielle, Category 1 storm, a nice spin there with winds right now sustained at 90 miles per hour. It's going to continue to track off to the north, and eventually it could make its way towards the UK. It would weaken significantly by then, but towards places in Europe, they could be dealing with some of the remnants left over by Danielle after it turns post-tropical. Down further towards the Caribbean, we do have Earl right here, tropical storm, starting to gain a little bit more strength. You can see some of that flare up of some of that showers and storms. It's dealing with some drier air right now, but as it lifts off to the north, there is a better environment for it. So it's expected to strengthen into a Category 1 hurricane early this week, and then maybe a major hurricane by Friday and into next weekend. So it's something we'll watch. It could be the first major hurricane of the season, but again, no threat to land at all. Across our area, partly cloudy skies tonight. Again, that chance for a shower or storm mainly before midnight, maybe 1 a.m. Otherwise, things will wind down. Lots of sunshine tomorrow morning for your Labor Day. Afternoon hours, you can see about that 40, maybe 50% chance for showers and storms. It will be warm tomorrow afternoon in the low to middle 90s. Here's that 7-day forecast. Again, we'll keep the heat going into the beginning of next week. Rain chances, they start to ramp up late next week and towards next weekend.